Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make my Mexican rice. All you need is 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, a cup of corn, some chicken bouillon, 1/4 of tomato sauce, a bay leaf, a garlic, and 1/8 of an onion. All right, we're gonna get started. We're gonna turn on the stove on medium-high heat, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up. We're gonna add our rice. Stir. We're gonna stir the rice until, because we don't want it to burn, until it starts getting, you're gonna notice the color change. It's gonna start turning whiter than what it is. Right now it looks translucent, but once it starts getting white, that's how you know it's ready for the water. To this, I'm gonna add my garlic first. Oh, my garlic, and I want to crush it a little bit because I want the flavor of the garlic to come out. Stirring. Now I like to warm up my water. I mean, you don't have to do this, but I like to warm it up a little bit so the cooking will be a little bit faster. And I notice that when I do that, it makes my rice fluffier. Oh, it's starting to smell real good. You can smell the garlic. Now I'm gonna add my piece of onion and my bay leaf. And once the rice is boiling, you'll notice it. The garlic will start floating, and the onion. You could remove that if you want, or you could leave it. Either way. Now I'm gonna add my chicken flavor, my caldo de pollo, chicken bouillon. Now it's a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Mix it together. Incorporate those flavors into the rice. Now I'm gonna add my corn. You could use fresh corn, canned corn, or you could even use frozen corn. Mix it all in together. And I don't know if you can notice how the rice is changing color into white. Just a little bit. That's when you know it's time to put the water in. I'm gonna put my tomato sauce. Mix it all in. And now to add the water. When you add the water, you gotta be careful because it will bubble up. If it's hot, you don't want to get you gotta be careful when you put the water in because it starts bubbling up and you don't want nothing to splash on you since it's hot. We'll just mix. We're going to leave it there for about 3 minutes, maybe less than 3 minutes, until you start seeing the water. Look, it's starting to simmer already. Once it starts simmering, we're going to lower the heat. Alright, so now the water is boiling up. As you can see, we're going to stir it a little bit to make sure that nothing gets stuck in the bottom of the pan. And for this, instead of the water and the chicken bouillon, you could use chicken broth if you like. I have done it like that before, and it works as well. Now we're gonna lower our heat, and we're gonna cover it up. And this will take about 10-15 minutes till it's ready. And I'll show you. I'll be back and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna stir the rice. At this point, if you don't want the garlic, we could remove the garlic and the onions. Take out the bay leaf. Just get out of there. Give it one more stir. We're gonna turn off the heat and let the rice rest, and then we'll come back to it. All right, guys, it's been more than 3 minutes. This is our final result of our rice. Let's serve it up. It's nice and fluffy. Alright, and this is the way I make my Mexican rice. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how it comes out. Thank you for watching.